Hello friends, let's write the IUPAC name for this compound. To write the IUPAC name, first we need to find which is the main chain or the parent chain. So if we look at this compound, this hydrocarbon, the chain starts with this carbon, it goes like that, it ends with this carbon. This is one chain. By this way, how many carbon atoms are there? 4 carbon atoms are present. Another chain what we can consider from this to up to this end. So up to this end, how many carbon atoms are there? 3 carbon atoms. So this is small chain we cannot consider because the longest continuous chain only is the main chain. So this chain has 4 carbon atoms. One more chain also is possible, that is from here we can start 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain also has 4 carbon atoms. So the maximum carbon atoms, the longest chain which contains a maximum carbon atom is 4 only. Therefore, I have selected the horizontal chain. This chain I have selected as the main chain or the parent chain. After selecting the main chain, now we need to number the carbon atoms. Now there are two ends of this chain. One is from the right hand side we can number. Another one from the left hand side we can number. Can we number in any order? There is a rule we need to follow. And when we check this compound, here a substituent is present, that is CH3 group is present attached with one carbon atom. So the carbon atom attached with the substituent or containing the substituent has to get the least number while we are numbering the carbon atoms in the main chain. So from which side it will get the least number? Yes, it is from the left hand side. That is, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon atom. The second carbon atom as a substituent. If we start from left hand side to right hand side. If we start from the right hand side to left hand side, what will be that? This will be the first carbon, second, third. So the third carbon atom as a substituent. Therefore, we need to number from left hand side to right hand side. Then only the carbon atom containing the substituent will get the least number. So accordingly, now we can number the carbon atoms. This will be the first carbon. This is second carbon atom. This third. And this fourth. Now we have numbered the carbon atoms. And the substituent, what substituent is present? That is CH3 group. That group we call by the term methyl. So the substituent is methyl. One substituent is attached to this second carbon atom, that is methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom. Now we can name the hydrocarbon. The name of the hydrocarbon contains 3 parts: prefix, root word, suffix. What's the prefix? The prefix denotes the substituent, that is the location of the substituent and the name of the substituent. Let's check the location, that is at the second carbon atom. So the location of the substituent is 2. The substituent is methyl. So what we need to write? 2-methyl, that is the prefix. That we can write now. 2-methyl. So the number 2 is written. After that, a hyphen. Then the substituent name, that is methyl. 2-methyl. Now we need to come to the root word. The root word, it denotes the number of carbon atoms in the main chain or the parent chain. How many carbon atoms in the main chain? 4 carbon atoms. So 4 carbon atoms are present in the main chain. The prefix will, the root word will be bute. Bute will be the root word for this compound. So that we can write it. The root word is bute. Bute, the root word we have written. The next one is the suffix. The suffix is the end part of the name. The end part, the suffix in this hydrocarbon, it denotes the type of the bond present between the carbon atoms. The suffix denotes the type of the bond present between the carbon atoms in the hydrocarbon. So in this hydrocarbon, so what kind of bond is present? Here a single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. So everywhere between the carbon atoms, the bond is single bond. That is carbon to carbon single bond. If carbon to carbon single bond is present, the suffix will be ane, ane. So we need to write the suffix here, ane. We need to write the suffix. I'm choosing another color, that is bute, ane. We need to write it. Yes. Now the IUPAC name for this compound is 2-methylbutane. 2-methylbutane. That is at the second carbon atom methyl group is attached. Total 4 carbon atoms, and between carbon to carbon single bond. Therefore 2-methylbutane. That is the IUPAC name for this compound. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.